get rid of things that are getting in the way of your growth, you're in a very dangerous position. Anything can happen to you because you are not allowing source. You are not allowing first intent. You are not allowing the overall parameter to keep expressing itself in the fashion, in the way that it wants to express itself. Where do you think your impulses are coming from? Always seeking to expand through you is what the source consciousness is, what that God frequency is, what our ancestors, Mama and Papa Cosmos, and all of the impulses are trying to do. And when we get in the way of that, we put ourselves in a very, very dangerous position.